well.
Well, that's what's great about duck hunting. You don't have to worry about them hearing you or smelling you, so you can go out there, have a good time, and enjoy yourself. You just gotta stay out of sight.
Yeah.
That's why we wear camo. That's why all of our gun gear and bag are camo.
We're like ready for war.
Yeah,
Like, look at this.
Basically what we're doing. We're going to
War
with ducks.
against ducks, yeah.
That's when you kill nice things. It's when opportunity meets preparation.
Yeah, it is so true. It's the whole excitement. Like you dream about it sometimes and like listen to the country songs. You're like, yeah, the dirt road.
We got our guns, we got ammo, we got all our decoys and fishing poles. Starting to get late, so I think maybe we should get some sleep and get at them in the morning.
All right.
Cool.
See you in the morning.
Alright, me and Kissy are here in the duck marsh this morning. It's about 6 o'clock. We're going to get in the boat here and we're going to go out to the spot and hopefully we'll get some ducks. Are you excited?
I'm super excited. We're out here and just so far it is a really beautiful morning. We're just waiting for the ducks to fly in. We saw a little group that did pass by, so we're all ready. And are you ready, Sean?
Oh, I'm ready.
Okay.
They're going to come in here soon.
It's on. Our setup is killer. We got an awesome view. We got all our decoys out. They're so excited. They're doing circles out there.
Oh, that's just another mallard call.
Okay. It's pretty good. Oh my gosh. There's a teal over there. With a teal, they fly a lot faster and they come in from different angles. And the black bellies, they always fly low and kind of disorganized. The mottled ducks are bigger and they're fatter, so they're easier to spot and sometimes easier to shoot because they're slower. What else?
There's widgeon and pintail, which kind of fly more graceful.
Right.
They kind of lock their wings as they come into land.
Yep, and the teal too. When they set their wings, it's like it sounds like an airplane like coming overhead. Like it's pretty amazing. Here comes one, flying low.
You ready? Wait.
Oh, he's landing.
Shoot it.
Done.
Got it.
Hell yeah.
Good job, Kissy.
Thank you. I couldn't do it without you guys. Oh my gosh.
This is so fun.
You always want to make sure that you press it in there pretty good. And you'll feel that click sound. Don't get your thumb caught in it. I always do that a little bit. But you want to make sure it's up and in there.
How do I look in camo?
You look awesome, Paula.
Amazing. I love camo. It like takes like men to the next level. I think I'm sorry. It's from a girl's view. It's like a guy in uniform. Every girl kind of likes it. Right here I have a 20 gauge shotgun. It's a TriStar. I love this thing. It's like basically no kick. It's great for girls especially. And it gets the job done just as good as a 12 gauge shotgun. And that's actually what he's using over there.
Yep. I got a 12 gauge pump action shotgun, so you actually have to manually work the action in order to eject the shells. Hers is a little bit more efficient. It automatically does it for you. I will say the most important thing when it comes to duck hunting is concealment. And this blind's looking a little raggedy.
Yeah.
So it's not helping, but
No.
we'll make do.
When you go to hunt deer and stuff, you can actually wear like orange and stuff like that, like a bright orange. And with the ducks, you gotta be completely camouflaged. And less movement is better. That's the thing with duck hunting, and what I love the most is like with duck hunting the whole time you gotta be aware of your surroundings and what's going on and what's coming in. You don't see anything, and then all of a sudden you'll see like one fly over. You're like, damn it, you're not ready. The deer is not so much excitement like that. You just kind of wait for the big guy to come in. Yeah, sometimes they'll fly and then they'll fly and churn and come back if they like what they see. If they don't see anything threatening, they'll come back around.
Once you recognize how they fly, you'll never mistake one in your life. They never stop flapping.
Exactly. Oh my gosh. Here comes another one. Is that a teal? That was a teal, right?
Yeah, that was a teal.
Teal. I hope I get a banded one. Come on. Shooting a banded duck is almost as good as winning the lottery. They're very rare, and when you get one, everyone's like super excited. So that's what I'm kind of aiming for this year, my goal. Oh my gosh, don't move.
Shoot that bird. Wait.
Oh, oh, beautiful. This is like teal.
The hand blooming teal.
Yeah. You see all the colors? They're really brilliant and bright. Really pretty. So we're just gonna put them up here.
Oh, that was a great shot. That bird came right into the spread, and you waited for him to land, but he didn't, and you got him on the second shot.
On the second
dropped
shot,
him.
yeah. Sean, you're next. You gotta kill one. You gotta keep up. You can't let a girl beat you.
You're whooping me right now.
Maybe I should place a bet. Like, you have to like wash my truck or something.
Oh man, alright. You have to wash my truck. If I shoot more ducks than you, I gotta wash your truck.
That sounds fair.
You shoot more ducks than me.
I think they saw us when they were coming down. Oh, too far. Make them move. Could try to spook them. The last thing I do this to is jam. Oh my gosh, he's landing. He's landing. Okay, get ready to spook him. Splash. Splash. Shoot! Yeah, totally got him. Nice. Oh, it's 1-1 now. I might have to do some scrubbing on the truck.
Oh, we're tied now.
I know, I was just saying. I might have to do some scrubbing. Wait, yeah, a teal too?
Yep. Another blue wing hen.
Let them cuddle a little. The males, like I said, they're so much prettier. The color and stuff, I mean, these are still beautiful. Especially like a full-blown male. They're really handsome.
Oh.
What you got, boy?
Nothing.
Nothing?
I hit one.
Ah.
It's down over there.
Damn.
We'll just have to get the boat to go get it.
Ah, if we find it. If we don't find it, it doesn't count.
Yeah, fine. It's just when I got over there, I hit kind of
I'm sorry.
chest high water.
Times like this, I wish I had my little chihuahua go retrieve the duck for me. Oh, that's okay, I'll go get it. Damn, I actually got a clean headshot. I was worried about shooting all the breast and the meat, because then I mean, there's barely any meat as there is, so when you shoot the breast, it leaves not too good because of all the bullets and stuff, but we got a clean headshot. So awesome. Another teal to add to the collection. And your face, Sean. You better start scrubbing. Get ready.
I got some soap and a brush.
Alright. Oh, this is mine. The stiff one right here, too. That one's for sure mine. I don't even see where you shot this one at. Oh, this one was mine too, and I guess this one was yours.
Small one?
I shot the smallest one.
Oh, you got him good. Oh wait, that was mine.
Yeah, that's the one.
I blew his butt off.
You shot him in the rear end.
That was really
He
much.
was trying to get away, and you said no way.
How did I pick him up and was like, oh, I shot him in the head and not see that? Jeez. Poor thing. That's one way to go. Get your butt blown off, huh? So our hunt kind of slowed down a little bit. JK. But anyways, we're gonna head back to camp and grab some breakfast because I'm starving. Anyways, thank you, Sean, for joining us today.
No problem, Kissy. Anytime.
And I hope you guys enjoyed as well. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tag along for our next adventure. I'm gonna go grab some breakfast. Are you hungry?
Starving.
Let's go. Quack, quack. All right, I had an awesome hunt, and the day's not over yet. I'm probably gonna do some bass fishing, cast out a line, and have an awesome day. So be sure to check out my YouTube channel and subscribe. Quack, quack, subscribe.